Hey, I am Ananya Prakash from Rablo.in, and this is an updated video tutorial about how to complete registration with us with maximum accuracy. Before starting, let me share you few details. Our Super Mentor Partnership Program is a payment-free process, which means any kind of payment regarding any joining fee, registration fee, etc. are prohibited by the company. It also means everyone is not going to be selected. So how can you make sure that you are going to be selected? For that, you need to keep the following points in mind. Try to be as genuine with your profile as possible. Create your demo video with affection, as we know production quality could be compromised over the circumstances. Next thing is, for details or documents must be ready before starting the registration. Brief introduction about yourself, Aadhaar card with front and back side, in format like JPG, PNG, etc. Proof of association with any formal institute in past, that is, registered coaching center or school. And lastly, demo video as per format recommended by us. Let's get to the computer window and see how we are going to do it. Let's start with entering a brand name Rablo.in. You can see our website ranking first on the Google search list. On clicking it, you will be redirected to our home page. To start the process, click on Become a Tutor. This whole page is dedicated to our Super Mentor Partnership Program. You can see a primary offering to a tutor with a tutorial video, which you are seeing right now. Click on Register Now and you will be automatically scrolled down to a 3-step joining process, which is logging yourself, create your profile, and lastly, start teaching with us after getting verified. Click on button mentioned below to start the process. First, let's log in. You will be provided with 3 modes of social logging through Facebook, Google, and LinkedIn. After logging in, you have to re-click on Become our Tutor and then click on Create your profile. Remember, before you start filling up your form, keep the details ready which were recommended in the beginning of the video, that is, the brief introduction. Please enter your first name and the last name, email, phone number, and tell something more about yourself. Lastly, add a photograph with a smile. Required dimensions are mentioned below. Click on Next. In next field, you have to provide us with the center of your coverage area. Whether you want to teach offline or online, you can also select both of the options. This step is to know more about you. Here, you need to enter your permanent address, the city, state, and your postal code. You need to also enter your Aadhaar card number and also a proof. The Aadhaar must contain both front as well as back side. Click on Next to move to the next field. Enter your subject of expertise, your year of expertise, and the highest qualification. Also, please add any specific expertise. For example, if you are particularly expert in physics, mention it here. In the field below, you can also inform us with any of the extra skill you acquire. Do mention the details of your past formal education association. Click on Next. Now, let's sum it up and verify everything. Now, here you need to submit your demo lecture video for verification. You can do it in 2 ways. Either upload the video or enter the Google link. If you enter the Google link, please allow the sharing permission. You can also add any referral code if you are provided with. Lastly, please read all the terms and conditions, and if you find it appropriate, please click on Yes. Lastly, we require your signature. Thank you. That was the process of submission. So this is whole procedure to become a super mentor with us. We hope we will see you in our mentor course soon. This was Ananya Prakash signing off.